My YouTube channel, and this is me, Eunice, again to the e-bike. Downstairs we go. Follow me. La, 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 la. And it's almost slow. Are you sure? Voila! You like it? It's super cute. And Mom was scared before. Now she's not now. She can ride in Paris, SM, and also she can ride anyway. This big girl over there has a cute face. Follow me. Okay, it is. And then the eyes are cute now. That looks like an M. And I go to school. Okay, I'm going to school. So who's gonna drive? You answer it. The time is clicking. That's right, boys and girls. It's mommy. So, bye-bye. Hello, everybody. This is me, Eunice, and
So, hello mga kamima ko. Kakaalis lang namin sa bahay para ihatid si Ate Eunice sa kanyang school. 5 minutes lang drive sa e-bike papunta sa kanyang school. And sobrang excited si Eunice para pumasok dahil ito yung first day na kanilang practice sa kanilang moving up ceremony on Monday, next Monday. Kaya, nag-aapura siya talaga pumasok. Sinasabi niya, Mama, dali na, magmadali na, maliligo na ako because I want to go to school early. So, ito na nga, mapapasok na kami ng school and magpa-park na ako. And after that, hahatid na namin siya sa kanyang room. Kasi gustong-gusto niya talaga yung hinahatid siya sa kanyang room. Kasi, hindi kompleto ang kanyang araw kapag hindi siya nakakayakap sa kanyang mama at sa kanyang little sister si Marga. So yan guys, nakapark na po ako. Let's go guys, hatid na natin si Ate Yudi sa kanyang room. So yan po, naglalakad po sila magkapatid. Malapit na po ang kanyang room. Siyempre, bago yan pumasok ng kanyang room, kailangan niya pa ng power hug sa kanyang mama at sa kanyang little sister. Dahil kapag hindi mo yan siya ni power hug, iiyak yan, magtatampo. Sasabihin yun, why you not hug me? Maybe you don't love me. Kaya yan, araw-araw kapag hinahatid sa school, kailangan may hug bago ka umalis. Kaya yan ang kanyang routine. Dahil napaka-sweet niyang bata. So, ayan nga, naglabasan na yung kanyang mga classmates para yayain siya sa kanilang room. Yun, nakapasok na si Ate Eunice sa kanyang room. Bye-bye guys, hanggang dito na lang aming video. Salamat, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.